What's up, everybody? We are doing a fresh air exhaust install and muffler delete on this 2011 Moomba LSV. So to start off, you're going to get everything in your package. You're going to get it laid all out and make sure that you have everything. Take inventory of what you got. And as you see here, we have our 3-piece Y design. We have our quick disconnect and everything for our platform, hoses to the fresh air, and then we have our muffler delete system here. So to start off, the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you should or shouldn't take out your muffler. It's really simple. All you're really going to need is an 8mm socket, and in my opinion, heat gun to be heating up your hoses and making sure that everything comes out smoothly. So follow me. Let's get into this 2011 Moomba LSV fresh air exhaust and muffler delete. All right, everybody, so this is your factory exhaust. We've already removed it to save you having to watch me do it all. So you can take it out one of two ways. If you're going to not be keeping this exhaust, the easiest way to do it, Sawzall right here, and that way you'll be able to heat up the lower mounts, pull it straight up and out, and then off your boat. If you are going to be keeping it, that's when you're really going to want your heat gun. You're going to heat up all your hoses, take all your hose clamps off with the 8mm socket, and then after you've removed your clamps and your hoses, you pull your hoses off, and then you'll be able to remove this assembly if you're going to be keeping it for the long term. This time we're not. We're cutting it off, and we're getting it out of here. As you can see here, the factory muffler has been removed. First thing you're going to do, take off the 2 clamps up top, and then loosen up the 2 clamps down below. Take your heat gun, make these hoses nice and malleable with the heat gun so you can remove your exhaust. Again, if you're keeping your exhaust, you're going to loosen it up. You're going to try to pull the whole assembly to the back and then straight up. If you're not keeping your exhaust, cut the exhaust straight out, so that way after you heat up your bottom hose, you'll be able to lift it straight up and out of the boat. Each kit will come with your 2 muffler delete pipes. They will be marked port and starboard. So here you have your port side, here you have your starboard side. So what you're going to do is you're going to heat up those hoses and you're going to be able to put them straight down and then into here, and then you're going to be able to tighten up your hose clamps on the top with your 8mm. You're going to tighten them all down at the same time. Do not do them individually. Get everything in place where you want it and then tighten them up. I like to tighten top, then the very bottom, then the middle, and then here. So stay tuned and you'll see what this looks like installed. And here we are. This is the muffler delete on a 2011 Moomba LSV. As you can see, all 4 on the top, all 4 on the bottom, everything nice and tight. That exhaust is not going anywhere. And now, out with the old, in with the new. And man, does that make it a whole lot easier to maintain your boat. Here's your impeller, all the access to your rear struts, everything. Very nice.